I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Going hot, so hot, just like an oven.
Hey loves, my name is Wynne. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today's video is sponsored by ILIKEHAIR. They sent me over this kinky edged wig with kinky straight hair, and I had to get into it. I've tried a couple of these kinky edge wigs and they're really growing on me because you know I like a little soft baby hair action, and you don't really have to do as much work to get that look. So to start off, we're prepping the wig, and I'm cutting out all of the clips except for the one in the back and adjusting the adjustable strap that the wig came with, because we're gonna go for a glueless install today. And first things first, we need to get a little bit of this volume out of this frontal. So I'm going through and I'm pressing out the roots on the entire frontal so we can get it to lay a little bit flatter. I still want some volume, but it's a little too voluminous right now.
Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so thick. Now I know what it called being a fatty. No, shit's so sick. Gotta hit and pick up a habit. But that's alright. 'Cause you're all mine. Oh, go on, show 'em who you call daddy. I guess they're just my cause. Girl, they wish they had it.
I was really feeling the side part, so I went ahead and cleaned up the part a little bit, and once I have the wig adjusted to my liking, I'm trimming off any additional lace along the sides so it fits really nicely behind my ears. To tint the lace, I'm applying a little bit of foundation and sealing that in with some hairspray before we get into trimming the lace. For glueless installs, I like to trim the lace before I lay the lace down, just because I feel like it melts into the skin a little bit better. To begin the install, I'm going in with my Ebin Active lace spray. It comes in the black bottle, and I'm starting off with a small section in the middle. For HD lace installs, I like to apply my wig in sections, so I'm starting in the middle and then I'm working my way to the sides, applying a little bit of spray, going over it with my blow dryer to get it a little bit tacky and sticky, and then I lay the lace right into the spray. And if I miss any spots, I just go over it with a little bit more spray. To get everything laying the way that I want it to, I'm applying a little bit of foaming lotion over the top of the hair, and this just helps to prep the hair for styling as well. And then I put on my elastic band to get everything nice and melted, and while that's on, I'm just kind of pressing out the frontal a little bit more. No use in wasting time, girl. I like to trim the ends on my wigs just because it makes it look a little bit more healthy and a lot more expensive. The key to making an inexpensive wig look luxe is to trim the ends. No expensive wig has scraggly ends. And even though it sucks to let a little bit of that length go, it's better to order a couple of inches up and trim it than it is to hold on to dead ends. You wouldn't do that on your natural hair, I hope. So don't do it on your wigs, girl, because it does not give. And I'm trying to get this install done as quickly as possible. So again, while those edges are melting, I'm going to go in and press out the hair as well. And so far, this is what it's giving. I really like it, but we need to go ahead and lay these edges down. So I went through and combed them out and make sure that nothing was kind of like stuck in the glue. I didn't want the edges to be too laid. I still want them to have that curly, fuzzy, natural look, but I did want to kind of give it a little bit of shape. So I didn't go too hard, and to finish the look, I'm going in with my 1-inch Babyliss flat irons, and I'm flipping the ends going straight up. I didn't want to do my normal layers and little wrap look, so I went for something a little bit more spicy today, and I really love the way it came out. It's giving like bougie black girl vibes, and I love it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All the information about the hair will be down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.